Hello everybody, my name is Konstantinos Kiritopoulos and you are watching this video because you have recently submitted your research proposal in unit MPM 9501. During the next 6 weeks for this unit, you need to finalize your literature review, you need to justify your research methods, and you need to submit your ethics application, which practically validates, after acceptance from the ethics committee, your research protocol. The best way for justifying the research methods is to ask yourself whether the methods that you are using and the data that you will collect, as well as the analysis that you are going to perform later, will be able to address the objectives of the research that you have set. At the end of the semester, you need not only to identify the research methods, but you also need to have fully described how you will deploy them and how the whole research method will work. For instance, if you are doing questionnaires, you need to provide the exact research tool, which is the whole questionnaire with all the questions that you are going to ask. Or, for instance, if you are conducting interviews, you need the interview questions. Moreover, the research methods like questionnaires and interviews are accompanied by specific information tools like the information sheets or the consent forms that you also need to produce. There are templates to help you for all these tools, and you are highly encouraged to visit the Learn Online website of the course to find out more. The ethics application should not be seen as a burden, but as a very helpful tool for you to understand and realize what you need to do when you describe your research methods. This is why we ask you to start your ethics application from now, from the 6th or 7th week of the unit, and you will see step by step what you need to do concurrently with developing your research tools and literature review for your research project. Because there are plenty of things in the ethics application that you might find hard to follow, we are going to set up a discussion forum in the Learn Online webpage specifically for questions related to the ethics application. Of course, you will still have to consult with your supervisor. However, I highly encourage you, whenever you come across a question related to ethics, to post this question in the discussion forum for ethics. This discussion forum will be available to all the students, so everyone can learn from the questions of others and the answers provided by either myself as a unit coordinator or the supervisors that will help me in this effort. As I have told you before, the next 6 or 7 weeks will be the most intense in your thesis. Keep in mind that the better you organize and plan your thesis now, the less effort that you need to put at the next semester where you're going to have the execution. Our aim is to provide a complete, rational, and achievable method of research that will be ready for action by the time we enter the next semester. Both me and your supervisor will be next to you and support you in this trip going to the definition of your whole practical research proposal through the literature review, the complete literature review that we are now going to do, and the justification of the research method, as well as the definition and creation of your research tools. So you don't have to worry about that, but you need to keep up the hard work, and this will lead us all to have a good, decent research proposal at the end of this semester. We are going to do all the rest through the discussion forums. See you there!